happiness is a daily choice. And when I say that in my seminars, I get a lot of people say to me, that's a load of rubbish, Ash. How can it be a choice if we've got bad stuff going on in our life? Then surely we're going to be unhappy from that. And that is the whole point. For me, it is a choice. And I'm going to show you how to make it your choice too. Just watch this video through to the end. Happiness is a daily choice. Have you ever noticed how two people can experience the exact same situation yet react in a completely different way? You know, one might feel defeated and frustrated while the other maintains a positive outlook and determined to move forward. And the stark contrast highlights an important truth. Happiness often depends on the mindset that we choose to adopt, and we choose that on a daily basis. While external circumstances can influence our emotions, our internal attitude plays the biggest role in determining how we feel on a daily basis. Choosing happiness starts with accepting that we have the power to direct our thoughts. Rather than dwelling on the problems or disappointments, we can learn to refocus on potential solutions and opportunities for growth. By shifting our perspective from why me to what can we learn from this, we give ourselves the power to transform challenges into valuable life lessons. Over time, this change in perspective can foster resilience and a greater sense of well-being. Another key aspect of choosing happiness is cultivating an attitude of gratitude. When we regularly pause and stop to appreciate the blessings in our life, big and small, we naturally become more aware of the positive aspects of each and every day. The attitude of appreciation can boost our overall mood and encourage us to seek out even more reasons to feel thankful. Whether it's a beautiful sunset, a kind gesture from a friend, or a personal achievement, celebrating these moments can spark some joy that lasts forever. So here are 5 practical tips to help you make the choice of happiness on a daily basis. So number 1, practice gratitude. Make it a habit to note down at least one thing that you're grateful for every single day, whether it's a small act of kindness or a personal achievement. By actively focusing on the good, you train your mind to start to look for the positive aspects of your life. Number 2, set some positive intentions. Now begin your day by setting a clear intention, something as simple as I choose to stay positive, or I'll look for solutions instead of dwelling on the problems. This mental practice helps you guide your thoughts and actions toward a constructive outcome. Number 3, nurture healthy relationships. Surround yourself with people who uplift you and inspire you. Spending time with positive, supportive friends and family members helps reinforce an optimistic mindset and provides a strong support system when you do get those challenges. Number 4, engage in some mindfulness or meditation. Mindfulness techniques such as deep breathing or short meditation sessions help ground you in the present moment and appreciate what is actually happening now. This approach reduces stress, allows you to observe your thoughts without judgment, and keeps your mind from wandering into unproductive worry or negativity. Number 5, reframe challenges into opportunities. Instead of seeing all the difficulties and insurmountable problems, view them as chances to learn and grow. Ask yourself, what can I learn from this challenge? Or how can this make me even stronger? This shift in perspective helps you remain solution focused and very resilient, keeping you on the path to a more content and fulfilled and happy life. And finally, it's important to recognise that happiness is not a destination, but a continuous journey. It requires consistent practice to train our minds to see the good. especially when difficulties arise. We need patience, compassion for ourselves, and the willingness to believe that no matter what life throws at us, we have the power to choose how we respond. In the end, happiness is more than just a fleeting moment. It's a deliberate choice, a daily choice, one that can transform our everyday experiences and bring more light into our lives. If you like this, have a look at this free 31-day challenge. Just have a look here, right, and it'll get you on the happiness path. It's absolutely free. Come on, you've got nothing to lose. And if you've enjoyed this video, please watch the next video just here, or subscribe to my YouTube channel just here.